Hey you guys, today's project is going to be a little different. I don't know if a lot of people do this or not, but for my particular project, it seems necessary. My client, she is doing we're doing a master suite in the open living area of her basement. So we've got her master bedroom, like where her bed is, and then it's open to the area in the basement where you come down the stairs, and that's a sitting area. So it's kind of this larger room, and it's a little odd for them to sleep in bed and have it all open. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to give these two spaces kind of their own space, divided up so that they each have their own purpose, but we still want it to be open so that it's not like small and claustrophobic. So to do that, I am going to be building some room dividers, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned.
1, 2, 3, come on!
The first thing that I did was I sketched the design on a piece of paper, and this is going to look different for everybody. My particular dimensions, because it was in a basement, I had 7-foot tall sides, and then the horizontal pieces were each cut at 15 inches. The X's were then cut to fit.
To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria, right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night.
All right, we've got all of our wood cut out. We have got our 9 pieces cut at 34 inches. That is an oversized measurement for the X's, and we'll be, after we put the frame together, we'll be marking them and making sure that we cut each X so that they fit perfectly. So we have our 9 pieces that I am going to rip through the table saw in half so that they're 1x2s. I'm saving money that way, and it'll give an edge to my frame that will give it a little more dimension. You don't have to do that, and you can just buy 1x2s. You can just use 2x2s. It just might cost a little more, use a little extra wood. And I find that the 1x2s are warped and they are a little bit harder to keep straight. So I like to get my 2x2s and rip them down, because the 2x2s, generally I can get them straighter at the lumber store. So we've got those, and then we've also got our pieces that are going to go horizontally connecting the frames, and we have our pieces that are 7 feet tall for the vertical pieces. So now I'm going to rip down those 2x2s, and we're going to start putting this together.
For those who may not have the tools nor the skill set to route the joints of these horizontal 2x2s, you can always use just a drill and screw in from the outside of the 2x2s into the horizontal pieces.
Alright, so from this part, I am going to build the frame before I do anything with the X's. So I've got my notches cut out, and I've got my cross braces. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue them together, and I'm going to clamp the edges and let the glue dry. That'll be enough to keep it sturdy enough. Let it dry, and then I'll go back and reinforce them with a couple nails. And then after all that's done, we will go back and we'll do the X's.
In the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria, right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on, closer. Now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly. Oh yeah, the moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make a way to twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my life. Let me if you want tonight. Maybe more shining stars.
Remember to route both sides of your vertical pieces if they're in the center of a divider.
Want to be with you, call my name, love, ooh. Somebody else, and that is you, ooh. really feel it that. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and fell a feeling. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But the door is slowly. Oh yeah, the moonlight's all around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's all around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with your twilight, my only, my bestie. You fall into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me if you want tonight.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please comment, like, subscribe if you like this comment. And I hope this is useful to you and that you can do something similar like this in your home. And if you want to check out how I transformed this room in this basement for a client of mine, check out my other videos.